Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a recent backup and that you have admin or root access. This prevents data loss and permission problems later. Once done, insert or mount the installation or recovery media and open the boot settings utility. You will need to change boot order. Make sure to note current OS names and partitions so you can target the correct entry. Now reboot into firmware or recovery environment to begin fixing the Choose operating system on boot process. Now focus on repairing or rebuilding the bootloader. If Windows, run Startup Repair or use bcedit to recreate entries. For Linux, mount the EFI or /boot partition and run grub install, then update with grub mkconfig. Use fbootnger to reorder EFI boot entries when necessary. You do this because correct boot entries point firmware to the bootloader, and rebuilding ensures missing or corrupted files are restored. Once entries are present, reboot to test selection behavior across systems. To finish, boot each operating system to confirm they load reliably. Repeat tests after reboot to ensure persistence. If an OS still fails, repair its file system first. Running chkdsk or fsck can reveal underlying issues, then reinstall just the bootloader rather than full OS. If you see missing entries, use fbootnger or bcedit to re-add and set priorities. One key troubleshooting tip: if firmware ignores entries, check secure boot and boot mode, UEFI versus legacy, and toggle appropriately before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.